Ah, kato?
po, safety.
Ah, kato ka ng
Hindi
motor?
pa rin kanina.
Wala na.
Yung pag-asa.
Ah. Congratulations. From Cebu. Taga Cebu.
Oo, correct. Sakto ka. Kanya, naaran na.
Accredited professional organization that are going into and move into to ensure your welfare as a new partner. The lovely ladies in their Filipiniana Mataas. Keep those claps coming for our Nurses Association, two chapters.
the oath-taking ceremony for our newly registered nurses. Today is a momentous occasion, a day that marks the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance.
Good afternoon. It is my honor to introduce to you one of our speakers for today. Our speaker hails from Tuguegarao, Cagayan Valley, and has been an esteemed member of the Professional Regulation Commission since November 1996. He currently serves as the Regional Director for PRC Region 7 in Cebu, a position he has held since March 21, 2021. Prior to this, he served as the Regional Director for PRC Tacloban, Region 8, from February 15, 2016 to March 20, 2021. He holds a Bachelor's of Law degree from the University of Hayes. His expertise has been recognized on an international scale as a member of the Philippine Delegation for the Negotiation of Professional Services. His notable contributions include participation in WTO services, cluster meetings, and bilateral meetings with several countries such as the USA, Canada, Australia, European Community, Japan, and Korea.
The fourth level in Maslow's famous hierarchy of needs is occupied by esteem. This characterizes the innate need of human beings to feel respected, which includes the need to have self-esteem and self-respect. Esteem presents the typical desire to be accepted and valued by others. Significantly, but in humility, consider others better than yourselves. Each of you should look not only to your own interests, but also to the interests of others. To the Honorable Member of the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing, Honorable Mary Ruby Ong. To Dr. Georgie Rivamonte, Education Supervisor of Health Professions of the Commission on Higher Education Region 7. To all the officers of the Philippine Nurses Association, Cebu Chapter, headed by its President, Nurse Ronnie Villarin, Nurse Judith Ismail, President, Association of Deans of Philippine Candidates of Nursing Region 7, Deans and faculty members of the different universities present here today, to our new nurses, to the ever-supportive parents, guests, a pleasant afternoon. I join.
It is both an honor and a privilege to introduce our next speaker. Dr. Maura Consolacion D. Cristobal obtained her Doctor of Education, major in Educational Administration, and Master of Arts in Education for Social Science from the Philippine Normal University, Manila. Her AP Sociology from the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Various trainings, seminars, and diploma courses in leadership and management, especially those taken from Ateneo de Manila University and Asian Institute of Management, equipped her for various administrative responsibilities and challenges. After her teaching and administrative stints in the high school, college, and graduate levels, she joined the Commission in Higher Education Region 3 in 2004 as Education Supervisor 2. It was also in Chad Regional Office 3, where she served as Chief Education.
Honorable Mary Lou B. Ong, Member, Professional Regulation Commission, Board of Nursing. Mr. Narcival Z. Takiki, Regional Director, Professional Regulation Commission, Region 7. Deans of the Colleges of Nursing in Region 7, led by Nurse Judith D. Ismael, President, Association of Deans of the Philippine Colleges of Nursing, Region 7. Officers of the Philippine Nurses Association, Cebu Chapter, headed by Nurse Rolly G. Villarin, President of BNA Cebu Chapter, Incorporated. Faculty members, our board of lecture, newly registered nurses, parents, benefactors, guests, a pleasant afternoon. Due to the second National Directorate meeting held at Shed Central Office, I could not personally meet and greet you all in this momentous event. It is fortunate that yours truly is here to relay the message of our committed regional director. My warm commendations to the Philippine Nurses Association, Cebu Chapter, Incorporated, and Association of Filipinas, Philippine God bless us all.
Very big number of Tacloban City. St. Scholastica's College, Tacloban City. Whoa. Imagine that crowd car from Tacloban. Central Philippine Adventist College, Negros Occidental. University of Bohol, Tagbilaran City. Eastern Samar State University. Riverside College, Bacolod City. University of San Jose Recoletos, Cebu City. University of Visayas, Cebu City. Keep this energy up, no? Because we're on 4 long years of sleepless nights. Opening University, Tagbilaran City. Bohol Institute of Technology, Tagbilaran City. Western Leyte College. St. Paul College. Colegio de San Antonio de Padua, Lanao City. Nicolo Medical Center College Foundation Incorporated. University of San Carlos, Cebu City. Mount Henry College, Valencia City, Bukidnon. Medina College, Osamis City. Uniman Province State University. University of Cebu, Manila. San Lorenzo Police College of Ormoc. Southern Bicol Colleges. University of Cebu, Pardo and Talisay. University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue. Welles College, Cebu. Adventist University of the Philippines, Cavite. Cebu Normal University, Cebu City. Felipe Barrio Foundation College. Lanao School of Science and Technology Incorporated. Benedicto College, Lanao City, Cebu. Western Mindanao State University. Carmen Villa Memorial Foundation University, Dumaguete City. Our Lady of Mercy College, Eastern Samar. Misamis University. University of St. Paul's Foundation Incorporated. University of Zara, Philippines. Foundation Incorporated. SIP. Southwestern University of the Philippines. Provincial College of Davao. Southeast Asian College Incorporated, Manila. La Salle University of Zambes City. CPU, CCMC. Northern Metro State College of Science and Technology. PHC Manila. Visayas State University by Eden. Southeast Asian College, Quezon City. Butuan Doctors College, Butuan City. University of St. Lasal College. Dr. Yandas College Incorporated, Bukawi, Bulacan. Dr. Carlos S. Martin College, Quezon City. Dr. P. Ocampo College, Davao City. Mater Dei College, Bigan, Medici B. Makati College. ACST Manila. Wilma University of Illinois. BMC College Foundation Incorporated, Colon. West Denver University. Adventist Medical Center College, Ligan City. CPACM, Bacolod City. Medina College, Pagadian City. University of Mindanao, Davao City. Mindanao State University, Zamboanga. University of Cebu City. University of Zamboanga. Rice Green College, Cagayan Summer. Filipino Doctors College. College of Tacloban. University of Santo Tomas, Legazpi City. CIP University. Cebu Sacred Heart College. Lady of Fatima University, Manila. Cebu Doctors University. St. Paul College, Foundation Incorporated, Bulacan, University of Southern Philippines, Foundation Incorporated. Will I miss any institution? Please feel free to raise your hand because you have made notable efforts to reach this assembly. If there are none, can we give our loudest applauses to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I like those voices. I like the happiness beyond those voices. And I know I really are more meeting in the Olympics parade of athletes.
It is my distinct honor and pleasure to introduce our inducting officer who will be officiating the induction ceremony for our May 2024 Philippine Teachers Licensure Examination new nurses. She is a woman of inspiration and a true pride of Cebu. A graduate of Southern Island Hospital School of Nursing and a former dean of Cebu Normal University College of Nursing. With her strong background in leadership, she has developed a deep understanding of our beloved nursing profession. She has a proven track record and has been recognized for her outstanding contribution.
I request everybody to please stand. Ako ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Na itataguyod ko at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas. Na ako ay tunay na mananalig at tatalima dito. Nasusundin ko ang mga batas, mga utos na legal, at mga atas na itinataya ng mga sadyang itinagdan may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas. At kusa kong babalikatin ang pananagutan ito na walang anumang masubali o hangarin umiwas. Taimtim pa rin ako manunumpa na sa lahat ng panahon at buong na kinaroroonan ay mahigpit akong manghahawakan sa mga etikal at tuntuning profesional ng mga nurse sa Pilipinas. At marapat kong tunapanin ng buong husay sa abot ng nursing profession. Aking makakaya ang mga tungkulin at pananagutan inihatang sa isang pinagdang nurse. Kasi hanawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations. According to our court, the first half of life is the quest of success. The second is the quest for significance. However, I believe that in every chapter in our existence is a quest of life. Ganon? Okay. My utmost respect to the guests seated in front of the stage, to our regional director, Randy Nakiki, to our Health Education Supervisor, Dr. Jovi Ribamonte. I'm proud to say she was once my student at the graduate school, Cebu Normal University. Dr. Juliet Ismael, the president of the ADPCN Association of Deans of the Philippine Colleges of Nursing. Dr. Joseph Piscalyar, who is out for a very important commitment, the Governor of Philippine Nurses Association of Region 7. And Mr. Rolly Villarin, the president of the PNA, Philippine Nurses Association Cebu Chapter. To our top nurses, I recognize them. Ms. Laika Paulin Ibutoy, the non-blesser from Venice College, and Mr. John Romo of Visayas State University. Thank you. the deans. Actually, there are my colleagues when I was also the deans. The deans of the different colleges of nursing and the officers of the Philippine Nurses Association. Without them, this activity is a very they are the ones who made this activity very thing to happen this afternoon. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate everyone here today. Congratulations to our college deans, faculty members, and staff for all making this event possible. Congratulations to the parents out there, relatives and guardians who fully supported and provided the needs of our new nurses. Congratulations to the newly inducted nurses who, despite the health situations that our country is experiencing until now, are now completely harvesting the fruit of our labors. These close to 400 RNs are part of the 11,116 who took the May 6 and 7 Philippine Nursing Licensure Examination, making a 69.74% passing percentage, equivalent to 7,749. These are the successful nurses who were wearing red underwear during the exam.
Newly admitted member of the Philippine Nurses Association. Do hereby willfully commit myself to support and uphold the purposes of the association and contribute actively for the achievement of its goals, missions and objectives. I further commit myself at all times to adhere closely to the ethical, moral and professional values, rules and standards generally accepted by the nursing profession. That I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities incumbent upon a member of the association. So help me God. Congratulations and welcome to PNP family.
PCN President of Region 7, officers and members of PNA and ADPCN Cebu Chapter, my fellow top-notcher John Philip Magabayla, dear guests, friends, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Grace takes us places hustling never can. A few months ago, most of us, including myself, were in a season of struggle.
I will not
We
take
bow our heads day and
or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my kingdom and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my profession, of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the decision in his work, and devote myself to the welfare.
Before that, since you're at Technosat, we will do a selfie first. Of course, to my boss. Actually, this is my evidence that I have done my part. So, for the most part, I would like to conclude that this is a very meaningful ceremony. And I would like to do a shout out to my school. At first, I was thinking about that, but I said we have to do shout out to all the new nurses because this is your moment. So, 3 things that I would like to leave with you. First is use technology in a very good way. I know you have been using ChatGPT and all those things. I know you are using that, so we use that in a very good manner. We don't say it's not good. Number 2, remember that when you're using technology, always put into mind your moral compass in using technology. Posting anything that is not important is not important. I would like to add a capital letter on those things. And lastly, today as you take your oath and you are now our family or one big family as nurses, remember the legacy of compassion. Congratulations on reaching these milestones and welcome to our global profession.
Don't worry, our stage is age friendly. Our cat lunchers, welcome to the fold. Colleagues, welcome to the fold. And to your parents, sponsors, benefactors, and significant others, congratulations, for you have raised a new